Today, I will provide a complete overview of all 12 English tenses. I'll share a special method to make learning these tenses much easier.
This session is part of our comprehensive series on English verb tenses.
What are tenses? They are simply the way we refer to time. We use tenses to talk about the past, present, or the future. In English, there are 12 different tenses used to describe actions.
Don't worry about the names yet. Focus on the big picture first.
I have divided these 12 tenses into two clear, manageable groups. The first 6 are basic tenses, which most students learn first. The second 6 are advanced tenses, usually introduced at higher levels. The second 6 are advanced tenses, usually introduced at higher levels. On one side, we have the simple tenses for facts and habits. On the other, we have continuous, often called progressive tenses. Many patterns you learn here will apply to more advanced tenses. Rules for spelling and pronunciation remain consistent across all tense groups. Advanced tenses won't get harder because you've already learned the basics. Learning the continuous aspect early makes the most difficult tenses easier. Your journey begins now with our first lesson. I wish you the best of luck. Let's start the program.